What'd you get?
Oxygen. Juicy fruit. Yummy, yummy. Oh, sister there? Extra, extra. Juicy fruit, juicy fruit. Oh, it's my Olympics one. I'm so happy I got an oxygen. Wait, is it 0.5? Oh. Another magazine. I think everything I got was
what? It doesn't. It's all in Japanese. Now I can't tell. Japanese.
You have to learn Japanese to Nami.
Nami.
Fruit toothpaste. I needed that.
Namaste. You didn't go that far? I got two juicy fruits though. I really like
And I got this. And
it's
on
so beautiful.
I got
Extra, extra. Oh, I did two.
I got flavor.
Huh.
I want to squish my oxy though. I don't care.
Me too.
You got good things in your stocking?
Feel it.
Wait,
It's
Nico,
so
it's
squishy.
gray. It's not black.
You guys got switched up?
Yeah.
Oh, this one doesn't shake and then you can put.
Right
Yeah,
now?
you guys are so close to me. Yeah.
Super. More. Yay! Yay, more. Yeah. More. Yeah. More. Yay! Woohoo! More. I needed more. Yeah.
Wait, who's that from? Who's that from?
No, Ronaldo.
More. I love it.
What is it?
Needed
Oh.
I wanted this.
Let me see. I'm gonna take a picture of you guys.
But I got two. I'm gonna go with this.
Oh, the turquoise.
Let me see, Nico.
Probably the one. And only Sergio Ramos one is my Madrid one.
Let me see, Nico. Look at me. Jeez.
More.
Oh, it wasn't recording.
More. It's okay. We never even watch it.
Hurricane.
Ooh, more. I love these.
I stopped all of my Jordan Morrison. Oh, this is Harry Kane.
More.
I stopped it Harry Kane.
Alright.
Probably Tottenham Hotspurs.
No way. Why would you get that?
Because this guy that he wrote is from that team. So, yep, it is. Deli Alley, please.
Hotspur.
Oh, nobody.
Let me see.
Yes! Woo! Yes!
The other one
Huh?
Woohoo!
Jordan Morris.
Oh, you needed that.
Yeah, I did. Yes, I did need that.
Oh, that's because they won the MLS Cup, maybe.
Oh, the shirt's cute
Oh, maybe
too.
it's going to be with the MLS Cup pack.
I don't think
Ooh,
so. It's not out yet.
That's cute.
Super duper.
Adidas. No, Gap.
I don't have any more.
Jordan Morris from the Gap.
I know. What could I get?
The only other person is the Converse.
Yep, Seattle. Jacket.
Sweet.
You don't like Seattle.
That's a cool color on the hood. Awesome.
Let me see. Hey, I didn't get a picture.
Finally, my final paper one. There's no paper because I get to rip it.
Maybe he'll review this pencil.
Hey, Daddy, looky.
Oh, my favorite. Oh, I love those. So cute.
So cute.
Let me stay.
Nom nom. Wait, I don't have any more.
Yeah, you do.
That's Daddy.
Santa
Oh.
on got
I
him
did not
from
see that.
Santa.
What is going on? I thought that was it.
That's all you have. Last but not least, my shoes are original.
Ooh, la la.
Wait, are you
I
sure
like
that's
it.
it? There's no
I
more?
like it.
No.
Cute, cute, cute. Adorable. Moving on.
Oh, I wonder what that is.
Alright.
아니야. 가장 어렵고.
Hmm?
가장
Ooh, nice.
해야지.
Baby.
Let me
I know.
see.
어?
Ooh, I got another color. Hey, it's behind. Another one.
That's pretty.
Sweet.
Likey, likey.
So you like Seattle now?
Oh yeah, that's champs.
But I don't got no more.
You guys gotta look.
Nice.
Yeah. Hotspurs. It's the bird. The Hotspur.
Nami, what is she eating? Hey, what are you eating? No. Go get that from her.
What is this?
Ah,
Nami's.
come
This
here.
is the last
Nami's
one.
good.
This is my last one.
Yep.
This
And
is
this
my
is
last
my
one.
last one.
What is
I
it?
got it. You are so
No.
happy. You're just like, ah!
Let me see.
Oh, I got more.
Stay still so I can take your
More,
picture.
more, more. I love more.
These you I get a tracksuit
I
you
need
want?
more. I love more. Ooh, I love
Ooh,
more.
more pants.
I need more.
Nico, let me take a picture. Hold it up.
Jeans,
Let me see your face.
jeans, jeans, jeans,
Wait,
jeans,
look normal.
jeans.
Stop.
Okay. Yes.
No,
Yeah.
Nami.
Sick. And I got another one.
Oh, that's cute.
I love it. Yeah. Okay.
Lucky boy.
Okay.
These
Mommy.
are Ramos and Harry.
Did you guys look? Make sure you got everything?
That's
No.
so lucky.
I got more. I got more. What the heck? Your face, Nico. Santa Claus. Okay, where's my other present?
What more do you want? You had everything you wanted.
I know. Auntie has the last present. Who
No way.
cares?
She opened us slower
You
than.
opened it, yours too fast.
What?
Oh, nice.
So cute. Is this possible?
What is it?
I'm gonna die. Her jeans. Yes! Yay! I have another pair finally! Yay! Yay! I'm so happy! Yay! Sorry.
Nico, what's your favorite thing you got?
And I got another one! This. Cute, cute.
Yeah, you gonna wear that today?
Yes, I am. And I'm gonna wear this sweater with these jeans.
Huh?
Yeah. But
Hey,
I think
hey,
I haven't made my decision.
Nami,
Num.
what'd you get, Daddy?
Oh, you're on my stocking.